This 2023 Thor Motor Coach Windsport MTRH is a Class A RV. It is located in Souderton, Pennsylvania, 18964 and is offered for sale by Fretz RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Thor motor coach is 1 foot 0 inches in length and features a Venice stone, COASTLI interior, sleeps 9, slide out, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A RV features bunk over cab, bunkhouse, outdoor entertainment, outdoor kitchen, rear bedroom. This 2023 Thor motor coach Windsport MTRH is built on a Ford F-53 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Fretz RV.